The day has arrived, the big day, my friends, 100,000 subscribers. So I want to do something really special we've never done before, which is a live Q&A. I want to just be around you guys. I want the community to come together. Maybe you can make it, maybe you can't. If you can't make it, I still want your questions to get answered during that chat session. So if you could go ahead and just post your comment below. Over the last 6 months plus, we've had hundreds, if not thousands of comments that are really pretty elaborate. We try and get to as many of them as possible. I don't think everybody reads the comments, so of course they're only benefiting the people that do read them. So I want this to be something we all gain from. Come in here, ask your questions live on video. I'm gonna do my best to get to every single one, whether it means we're on the conversation for 15 minutes or we're on that episode for an hour, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna try not to put an end to it as long as we still have participation. For those of you that can't make it on Monday at 2 p.m. Mountain Time, which is 4 Eastern or 1 Pacific, please throw your comments below. I want your questions in the comment section. You can obviously send them through our Instagram accounts or even tweet them over to us. And we're gonna do our best to get to every single one of them. Of course, if we end up with any unnecessary profanity or somebody being inappropriate, we're gonna eject that person from the dialogue. But we do want to have a very productive conversation and ring in this 100,000 subscribers with you guys. After all, it's been you that's helped us get here. It's been you that helped us grow by 85,000 subscribers in just the last 12 months. This is the fastest growing channel on the topics of credit optimization, maximizing your access to capital, and how to leverage money the right way in order to create wealth. There is no channel that comes even close to this. And I want to say thank you for being a part of that community. So we'll see you on Monday at 2 p.m. Mountain Time, 4 Eastern, 1 Pacific. Come with your great questions. Until then, make it a great weekend. So I just caught wind. This week's winner of the $25 Amazon gift card is going to Jason Elkhart. Jason, I couldn't appreciate you more, my man. Jason's admittedly been working on his credit scores ever since finding our channel, and he admits that the VIP Financial Ed channel is showing him the way. So keep up the hard work, my friend. So shoot us an email. We'll get you your $25 gift card right away so you can splurge on something really nice, something you've always been wanting. Or hey, you know what? Go out there and buy your mom something nice. Nonetheless, in order to stay eligible for the contests that we're running until October and beyond, check the description below for details. Congratulations, Jason.